Alrighty then, hello there ladies and jellyfish. This is Dash Thomas and Mr. Panda Pizza from Elevator the 14S, coming to you from Sector 15C. This is going to be the elevator at the World Center Marriott Hotel in Orlando, Florida. As we probably all know, these are Kone, former Westinghouse. Watch out the window. Try getting the whole thing. There we go. And look at the rainbow.
28th floor.
We're at 28.
Going down.
Or beat us up here. So we need to look at a guest floor. Very nice. Let's head back down. I'm glad a lot of places have recycling bins around here. No, I don't want an internal elevator. Still the Westinghouse door plates. Hit down, Dad. There's the water park.
Eventually.
Get one of these too. That was quick. Bit of classic leveling. Go one. Where close button works. We'll look out this side. Actually, we'll go this side. There's Gabriel Palms over there. Oh my gosh, that acceleration gets me. Convention Center. Going up, we'll watch the indicator.
First floor.
There's the front desk. We are at 1:28.
Going up.
Indicator. Stand back. Ooh, look at this. Oh, I forgot to show you that. Do some O facing here, but I'm fine with that. Notice how it shows 5, 8, and 11.
Twenty-eighth floor.
And here we are at 28. What? What?
Going down.
Oh, okay. Very nice cat. These are very much like Gaylord Opryland, believe it or not. Look at this. 2-to-1 roping. Innovation fixtures. Indicator. Directory.
First floor.
Watch it level. And this is ID number 35285. And a classic dual indicator this time. There we go.
Second floor.
I'll see if I can put a link into the description of one of them which legitimately broke on someone. There's like a whole crazy trending video on it and everything. That's the only elevators I'm going to film here due to time reasons, but oops, sorry. That'll be it.